Ever wonder why some teams fly through projects while others get stuck in meetings and chaos, even when they use the same tools? In today's complex and fast-moving world, project management is no longer just about tracking tasks or meeting deadlines. It's about aligning mindset, methodology, and technology to create measurable impact. Every project lives at the intersection of structure and flexibility, and the tool you choose should reflect that balance. While Agile methodologies like Scrum and Kanban thrive on adaptability and real-time visibility, Waterfall demands precision, documentation, and sequential discipline. On the other hand, PMI's framework, based on PMBOK, offers a structured, process-driven approach focused on control, integration, and performance baselines, and PRINCE2 brings governance, accountability, and business justification to the forefront. Yet, a common mistake in modern organizations is assuming that any project management tool will fit any methodology. In reality, the wrong tool can disrupt the flow, blur accountability, and weaken decision-making. Selecting the right platform, one that mirrors the rhythm and rigor of your chosen methodology, is a strategic decision that defines project success. This video explores that alignment in depth, mapping each major methodology, Agile, Scrum and Kanban, Waterfall, PMI, and PRINCE2, to its most compatible project management tools, explaining not only what works, but why it works, and how the right match transforms performance, visibility, and collaboration across your project ecosystem. Project management is not just about managing tasks, it's about aligning methodology, mindset, and technology. Each methodology, Agile, Waterfall, PMI, PRINCE2, has its own rhythm, governance level, and documentation needs. The project management tool you choose should complement that rhythm, not constrain it. Below is a methodology by methodology mapping, explaining which tools fit best, why, and how they enhance that methodology's workflow. Agile methodology: Scrum core philosophy. Iterative development in fixed-length sprints, usually 2 to 4 weeks, with defined roles, Scrum Master, Product Owner, Development Team, and ceremonies, sprint planning, daily stand-up, review, retrospective. Tool requirements: sprint management, with backlog, sprint boards, burn-down charts, velocity tracking, role-based dashboards, integration with CD or development tools. Agile is built on iteration, adaptability, and transparency. But within Agile, Scrum and Kanban differ in structure and tool needs. Best fit tools: Jira software, Atlassian, purpose-built for Scrum, includes sprint planning, burn-down charts, backlog grooming, velocity reports, and integration with DevOps pipelines. Azure DevOps, Microsoft, excellent for enterprise Scrum projects, combining boards, pipelines, and test management. ClickUp, customizable sprints and dashboards with automation and velocity metrics. Zoho Sprints, lightweight and ideal for small Scrum teams with Scrum artifacts and ceremonies built in. Example use case: software development teams running 2-week sprints to release new product features iteratively. Kanban core philosophy: continuous flow of work visualized on a Kanban board. To do right pointing arrow in progress, right pointing arrow done. Limiting WIP, work in progress, to increase efficiency and eliminate bottlenecks. Tool requirements: visual drag and drop boards, WIP limits cycle time and lead time tracking, continuous delivery integration. Best fit tools: Trello, simple, visual, intuitive, perfect for small teams managing continuous flow tasks. Jira, Kanban boards, enterprise ready with WIP limits, automation, and analytics. Monday.com, customizable Kanban workflows with team workload tracking. Kanbanize, advanced analytics for flow efficiency, cumulative flow diagrams, and portfolio Kanban. Example use case: marketing teams managing continuous campaigns or operations teams handling ongoing service requests. 2. Waterfall methodology core philosophy: sequential, phase-based project execution. Each phase, requirements, right pointing arrow design, right pointing arrow development, right pointing arrow testing, right pointing arrow deployment, must be completed before moving to the next. Tool requirements: Gantt chart visualization, dependency management, milestone tracking, document version control, resource allocation, best fit tools. Microsoft Project, MSP, industry standard for Gantt charts, dependencies, critical path, and detailed resource allocation. Smartsheet, cloud-based, user-friendly, combines Gantt charts with collaboration features. Rike, excellent for structured workflows with dependencies and approval paths. TeamGantt, simplicity and visual clarity for smaller or mid-size waterfall projects. Example use case: infrastructure or construction projects where design and approval must precede execution, and documentation is critical. PMI, Project Management Institute Framework, PMBOK based, core philosophy. PMI emphasizes process groups, initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, closing, and knowledge areas, scope, time, cost, quality, risk, etc. The approach is process structured and documentation heavy. Tool requirements: project baselines, scope, time, cost, risk register and issue logs, integrated schedule and cost tracking, change management documentation, KPI dashboards and EVM, earned value management. Best fit tools: Primavera P6, Oracle, deep scheduling, resource leveling, EVM, ideal for large-scale engineering and construction projects. MS Project, desktop, online, perfect for PMI-based planning and monitoring, WBS, baseline tracking, EVM. PlanView, Enterprise One enterprise-level tool for portfolio alignment and KPI-based monitoring. Rike, Enterprise Edition, strong for integrating documentation, risk logs, and progress tracking against baselines. Example use case: government or capital-intensive projects requiring full traceability, performance baselines, and compliance. PRINCE2, projects in controlled environments. Core philosophy, a process-driven methodology emphasizing governance, business justification, roles and responsibilities, and stage boundaries. It thrives on documentation, stage gate approvals, and risk management. Tool requirements: stage management and approval workflows, business case tracking, issue, risk, and quality registers, role-based permissions, audit and compliance documentation. Best fit tools: Sciforma, built for stage-based project management with approval workflows and documentation control. ProjectManager.com, supports stage gates, documentation libraries, and stakeholder dashboards. PM3, tailored for PRINCE2 governance, portfolio visibility, and audit-ready reporting. MS Project Plus SharePoint integration enables structured PRINCE2 document storage and approval cycles. Example use case: public sector or corporate transformation projects requiring formal governance and accountability structures. Summary comparison table: when comparing methodologies, the differences in structure and rhythm become clear, and so do their ideal tools. Scrum, as a sprint-based agile framework, thrives with tools like Jira, Azure DevOps, and ClickUp, which support sprint planning, burn-down charts, and backlog management, making them perfect for fast-paced software development teams. Kanban, on the other hand, emphasizes continuous flow and visual task tracking, best served by intuitive tools like Trello, Kanbanize, and Monday.com, widely used in operations, marketing, or service teams. For more traditional, sequential project structures, Waterfall relies on detailed planning and dependency tracking, where Microsoft Project, Smartsheet, and Rike stand out as the top choices, especially in construction, infrastructure, and engineering projects. The PMI, PMBOK methodology demands a strong process foundation, baseline control, and performance measurement, best supported by enterprise-grade tools like Primavera P6, Microsoft Project, and PlanView Enterprise One, typically seen in government or large-scale corporate environments. Finally, PRINCE2's stage-based governance and audit focus align best with tools such as Sciforma, PM3, and projectmanager.com, which enable approval workflows, business case tracking, and documentation management, a perfect fit for public sector or compliance-driven projects. Each combination reflects not just a technical preference but a strategic harmony between methodology, mindset, and management maturity. Expert insight. Choosing wisely the wrong tool can distort a methodology's intent. For example, using Trello for a PRINCE2 project would cripple documentation and governance, while using Primavera for a Scrum team would crush agility. A strategic PMO or project leader should match the methodology to the project type and risk. Match the tool to the methodology's workflow and culture. Integrate cross-platform reporting, e.g., Jira left-right arrow Power BI for Agile dashboards. Final thought: tools amplify methodology, they don't replace it. The secret to project excellence lies in selecting a tool that breathes life into your chosen method's principles, whether that's Scrum's Sprint Heartbeat, Kanban's Flow, Waterfall's Discipline, PMI's Structure, or PRINCE2's Governance. Choosing the right tool isn't just a technical step, it's a strategic move that defines how your team thinks, communicates, and delivers results. Don't let your methodology and your software pull in different directions. Evaluate your project type, team culture, and governance needs, then pick the tool that truly amplifies your methodology's strengths. And if you're ready to build smarter, faster, and with purpose, start by aligning your project management method with the right digital partner, because the right match doesn't just manage projects, it elevates performance.